Hello everyone! Today we're gonna make Korean solbing. It's similar to our Filipino halo-halo. But in solbing, they add fruits. You can make, for example, mango solbing, injolmi, banana, strawberry, melon, blueberry, etc. But today we're gonna make watermelon banana solbing. It's easy to make. First, in a bowl, combine fresh milk, whipped cream, condensed milk, and mix well. And then put it in the ice cube box. Put it in the freezer overnight. The next day, put the mixture iced in the mixer. After that, we can now add our toppings. Start with watermelon, banana, tok, it's a sweet rice cake, nuts, pat, red beans, this pat is red beans, and strawberry syrup. If you can't find tok and pat near in your area, it's okay, just add lots of fruits, nuts, whatever you like. So that's all for now. See you next time. Bye!